So you're struggling with weight loss. You're trying to lose weight. Most probably you've applied every single tip out there and it doesn't work. You end up going back to square one. And especially if you're counting calories day in and day out, you realize that you're spending your entire day tracking chocolate bars, bananas, chicken breast, bread. That's your day. Simply tracking stuff here and there as if you're going on a hunt somewhere. Well, it doesn't work. As an engineer, as a mechanical engineer specifically, let me break it to you. The whole concept of calories does not work for us humans because our bodies are biomechanical. Like I've said this 1,000 times, if you are mechanical like a robot, then we could talk about calories. But you are biomechanical. Your existence includes a lot more than your limbs and the organs and the food. You got hormones, you get fluids, you get neurotransmitters, you got a nervous system. Every single one of them, you got emotions, you got your own mentality. Every single one of them is connected for the success of your weight loss journey. If you are physically active, mentally drained, you will fail. If you're mentally okay, physically not active, you will fail. If your emotions are out of place, you will fail. If you're counting calories, messing up with your hormones, you will fail. We need to get all of these pieces working together. And this is what I'm trying to help you on this current channel because I've done it, I'm doing it over and over again, and everything that I've learning or have learned, I'm sharing it with you because I've been on the ends of the spectrum. Lean, fit, to overweight, trying to lose weight, and everything in between. Bulking up, shredding down, I've tried it. Keto, whatever it is, you think about it. I'm just simply sharing my experience and hopefully it helps you out to get some insight because I'm sure you end up being frustrated going through that cycle of, losing weight, getting it back and over and over again. So hopefully by watching these videos, and I do have a full-on program, by the way, that I've created over the years, and I keep on updating it, which will give you that push without you breaking along the way. Feel free to explore it. If not, these videos, which I'm sharing with you, are going to help you out. Now, that being said, go ahead and do the first step within the weight loss process, which is simply start walking. You heard me right. Let's say you're not ready to cut off your food, hit the gym, go with these extreme practices. On the contrary, you just simply want to get yourself up and push forward. We need to stop the whole make it or break it mentality. Baby steps, one at a time. And the first step that we need to do, just say right now, go for a walk. Now, 30 minutes, 45 minutes, if you're able to go for 7,000 steps all the way to 10K, that's a great milestone. Even though you tend to find that walking is frowned upon in terms of fat loss, but what we're trying to achieve here is not just simply burning calories. We're trying to balance your blood sugar. Walking helps you bring down the blood sugar. It helps you pump up your motivation. You feel calmer, cortisol levels drop down, blood pressure decreases, which will help you, in other words, pick yourself up to move forward simply by walking. So apply this, try it out a couple days, and feel free to leave your comments to tell me exactly how your mood has changed, how do you feel, and if you're excited to actually pursue more tactics, tips, and strategies to help you lose weight. Feel free to leave them in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video.